Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. I am Victoria, a local real estate agent in North and South Carolina. Before we even get started with today's video, please take a second and hit that red subscribe button and also that thumbs up so more people can learn about this channel with ease. Today, we are visiting the Reserve at Northridge, which is a community built by Taylor Morrison. We're going to be taking a tour of the Wembley floor plan. This floor plan ranges up to about 3,300 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom home, 3.5 bath with a 2-car garage. The Wembley is a stunning 2-story home that features the owner suite downstairs. The first floor is exquisite with an inviting gathering room and a kitchen complete with a large walk-in pantry and luxurious food prep island. The second level features 3 additional bedrooms, 2 full baths, and a spacious game room. So there you have it, guys. Thank you for taking a tour of this wonderful community with me and also this beautiful floor plan. Remember, this community is located right basically on the shores of Lake Wylie, South Carolina. So if you're one that really loves that lake feeling and loves, having so many outdoor things to do, this will be the perfect community for you. If you are interested in being a part of this community, in the description bar below, you will find a direct link to my calendar. Please go ahead and schedule some time for us to chat, and I will be more than happy to set up some time with the builder as well. As usual, please be sure to hit that red subscribe button and also that thumbs up. I would love to know, what was your favorite part about this community? What was your favorite part about this home? Would you ever consider living on a waterfront? Let me know in the comment section, guys. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.